So, welcome to the first day of Vlogmas. This is my first year ever doing Vlogmas, and I know there's a lot of you guys that are new here, so welcome. My name is Angelica, aka Angie B. I post a lot of hair videos, but now we are doing Vlogmas. So, feel free to leave all your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what fun stuff you'd like to see during Vlogmas. We're going to do a little bit of baking, a little bit of a lifestyle, but today, this video is actually totally unexpected. I just had a meeting with my manager, my YouTube manager, and we were talking about my plans for Vlogmas and what we're gonna do. And since I didn't have much else to do for the day and I have a little bit of a headache, I know I won't be as productive as I need to be. I figured, why not put together my Christmas tree? Now, to be honest, the decorations that I have planned are very minimal, but they also take a little bit of energy. So if my headache gets worse, we're gonna have to continue tomorrow. But I'm hoping we can finish today so that we can just get it done and move on to Vlogmas Day 2. Let us put up the tree. So I am now done with decorating the base of the tree. I was adding stuff on, taking it off, adding it on, taking it off, because I don't want to overload the tree with a bunch of stuff just because I have them. And I want a different vibe this year than last year. I just wanted it to look a little bit different. So I got this ribbon from a cake store when I went out during this week. And I'm going to make some bows for the tree. And I'm just hoping they turn out the way I envision it to be. So I'm going to make one first, test it out and see if it looks the way I want it to look. And then I will go ahead and make more. So I'm done decorating. The bows turned out so beautiful, so much better than I expected. I didn't think I could pull it off. Now for the top, I don't have a star, and so I'm thinking I'm just gonna do, oh, a wasp. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a huge bow, maybe a red one, but I think a white one will work. Just the same kind of material, but just the thicker one. I wasn't decided yet on what I was gonna do, and I just think the bow will fit better than a star. So that's what I'm going to do. And now, as you can see, I don't have a skirt, and this is actually a curtain. This is just a curtain that I'm not using because it's too short for any of the windows because my windows are really high. So I used this last year and it worked perfectly fine. I don't need to buy a skirt because this gets the job done. So I'm going to put this, and then the lights, I haven't turned them on yet because it's too bright. You'll barely see them. I want you to see like the nice reveal in the evening. So I'm going to put the skirt on and then we'll continue. All right, so as you can see, the skirt is there perfectly. I just love how it looks. So my tree is done. I can't wait for the big light reveal in once it gets dark. Now I'm tired. It is 5 p.m. I'm gonna have some tea with a cookie, and then we will make some dinner and then turn on the tree. And it's just a sort of small cookie. Because it's late, I like to eat my dinner early. I will be making my dinner shortly after this. I just need a little break. So after this tea, it's dinner time, and I'll let you know what we're cooking when it's dinner time. Something very easy because I'm tired. All right, so we are in the kitchen now. It is dinner time. I said I was going to make something easy. I am making the easiest meal I know how to make. Although, you know me, well, maybe you don't. If you don't, welcome. I don't have any easy meals because I like my food to be tasty. I like it to look presentable. You know, when you look at pictures and they arrange their food and it's like all aesthetically pleasing, and you're like, who actually arranges their food like that? Me. And it's not just me, it's like everyone in my family. So it is a cooking household. So I am having noodles, ramen noodles. I'm going to be using these ones. This is Indomie. Fun fact, I actually thought that this was a Nigerian brand simply because I had a Nigerian friend in university, and she always used to tell me about these noodles and how much Nigerians love these noodles. So I thought they were there until I saw them for the first time, and I was like, oh, if I don't have any vegetables or protein to add to my noodles, I will not be eating. I eat them without protein sometimes, even if it's just vegetables, but with none of that, just plain. I can't remember the last time that ever happened. Unpopular fact, I don't like buldak noodles or any noodles that are similar to buldak noodles. It's not because the noodles are too hot, because you don't have to put the flavor packet in it. The reason why I don't like them is because I like my noodle to be a noodle. I don't like it to be thick. If I wanted spaghetti or linguine, I would just eat that. Now I know they don't taste the same, but to me, I don't like that it makes the water starchy. I like my noodles very brothy. I like them thin. Yeah, buldak, samyang, whatever, any kind of noodle that's that sort of thicker shape, I'm not having. I also don't like anything like eggy or creamy in my noodles. Every time I eat noodles, it's like super brothy. So let's make some noodles. Oh, the protein I'm using is shrimp. So as you can see, my dinner is done. I am ready to eat. Let's give it a little taste. This is exactly what I wanted. It is perfect. This is how I like my noodles. It's how I eat them most of the time. Also, I don't know if this is another unpopular opinion, but noodles taste so much better if you use chopsticks. Like a fork just doesn't do it, okay? A fork is for if you're looking for the little leftovers in the broth, you just have it on the side, but chopsticks are where it's at. Same thing with dumplings. I am not ending the vlog here because when I'm done with my dinner, we are going to turn the lights on the Christmas tree. So I will see you in a bit. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. It is time to light the tree. Look how pretty it looks in the dark. The lights aren't even on yet. I think this is my favorite decor I've ever done on a tree. And there's a little secret I'm not that proud about. If you look in this area, right here of the tree, there's no decorations there. And that is because I didn't have enough. And whenever I don't have enough, I focus on decorating the whole face of the tree and the part that's right by the wall, like no one can see it. And so if I go out, I'm probably going to buy more ribbon so I can do the huge bow on top. And I will show that in a different vlog. And I will add bows to the back as well, but I won't add any more of the ornaments just because I don't want to buy any, and I think the bows are just doing such a great job. I hope you want to see more vlogs from me, and thank you so much for watching. Also, before I turn on the tree, I got 70,000 views on a video that I posted less than a week ago. I know a lot of you watching are new, so thank you. Welcome to my channel. I hope you like it here. I hope you stay, and I will see you in my next video. Let's turn on the lights. Oh my God, that is so pretty.